Can you imagine 100,000 alumni? We'd fill the biggest stadium in the world. Or double the number of runners in the most famous marathon. More than 100,000 professionals currently belong to the UOC Alumni community. We're a diverse and global network, full of talents and opportunities all around the world. Our community seeks to grow professionally, build ties, identify new employment opportunities, and develop as entrepreneurs. Together, we network, promote all sorts of initiatives, take part in webinars, conferences, and mentoring. We believe in lifelong learning as a path for continuing both personal and professional development. UOC Alumni community is committed to and proud of working to improve our world through learning and social transformation. Coming together, our experience counts for more. We're proud to be alumni. I'm UOC Alumni. We're UOC Alumni.